Hello guys, good evening guys. It's dinner time guys. Ito lang ang kakainin ko guys. Naghanap yung tiyan ko ng gulay guys. Ito lang nakita ko guys. Samahan niyo akong kumain ito. Ang sarap nito guys. It's very healthy. Siyarong gutomin pa sinili saka tarbak nga naggulay guys. Panihapon. Guys, happy dinner na lang natong tanan. Have a nice day. Let's eat. Thank you for watching.